So I am replacing an old style lock that's very small, and I'm going to put in a standard lock so that this entire house is keyed the same. What I need to do is set this in here and scribe a circle so that I know where the perimeter is going to be, because I want that center, I want the center of this peg that goes through here to be in the correct spot. It's offset, so if I had gone in the center, it would have been in the wrong location. So since it's offset down, that's why you need to scribe. So now I've got this scribed. Set these duals down to the side, and we are going to find the correct hole saw that fits. Okay, this is 2 1/8 of an inch. We are going to put that onto the hole saw. So take your hole saw, put it together, put your lock nut in place so that the hole saw won't slip anymore. And then take your drill. So here's the next thing that I need to do. I can't just start drilling because this is going to start skipping around like that. Okay, we know that that is where we want the hole saw to go through. So I'm actually going to take a couple screws. All right, we're going to take at least 2 screws. Okay, no, we're going to take at least 3 screws. We're going to take 3 screws, and we need to put them on the perimeter. I'm going to do my trick where I drill a pilot hole by doing the screw backwards. And then forward. We can see now this screw is right on the edge of that circle. So now I need to put one down here. The edge of my circle is right here. So I need to put one right here and then one right here. And probably a 4th one, because I won't be able to get a perfect triangle. You want to do a triangle if you can. But let's take a 2nd screw. All right, we're going to do a 2nd hole here. Check that one for fit. Okay, that's in a perfect spot, so we just need the 3rd one. Right here. All right, check this for fit, and then we'll start drilling it out. All right, that's really close, but it's a little too tight. So I'm just gonna back that one out, tap it over like that. Now it's too loose. Tap it back in. That. Okay. There we go. That fits. All right, now we'll put the drill on top of all 3 screws. Make sure it's on top of all 3 and start. And now that we have got a groove started, you don't want to drill out the entire hole with your screws there. You'll ruin your hole saw. So now that we have a groove, we're gonna remove our screws. But we'll be able to finish the hole now. All right. Put this back in. Put this back in here. And we have a perfect fit. Here we go. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I put videos up every week about construction tips and tricks and just things that I'm doing. All right, thanks for watching.